Hello everyone, today we are going to see about the design thinking video on optical fiber cables, right? So what is meant by optical fiber?
Medium to transmit.
So optical fiber is nothing but, so this is the medium for transmitting the light, right? Okay, so what's the main condition for optical fiber? Total internal reflection, right? So the total internal reflection is the main condition for optical fibers because the optical fiber cable is the thin transparent glass medium, right? So this is the glass material. So any light material, we know that the property of light, right? So what's the property of light? So no, light, property of light, okay. So any light instant on the wall or anything else, so it will transmit or transmit itself, or otherwise it get reflected, or otherwise it get refracted, or otherwise it will produce diffraction, right? Okay, so this is the property of light. Okay, so now optical fiber cable is the thin glass transparent film, right? So it is a transparent medium, so glass mediums. So once light is passed through the medium, so it will get, there is a possibility for diffraction, reflection or refraction, right? So that we have used the condition total internal reflection. So that is nothing but, so actually in optical fiber, so we have many layers. Okay, so 4 to 5 layers. So inner layer is the core, so second layer is cladding. So these two parts are very important layers, right? So light transmits through only core medium, right? So in total internal reflection, the condition is, so the N1 is nothing but refractive index of core. So N2 is nothing but refractive index of cladding. Okay, so N1 must be greater than N2. So this is the main condition to achieve total internal reflection, right? Okay, so refractive index of core must be greater than refractive index of cladding, right? Okay, so this is the first condition. So the second condition is the angle of incidence must be greater than the critical angle. So once these two conditions must be obeyed means, so that then it will produce the total internal reflection, right? So this is the main condition of optical fiber, right? So today's topic is about design thinking on optical fibers, right? So we start with empathy. Okay, start.
Understanding the people need faster internet, clear voice and video calls, reliable long distance communication. Traditional copper cables suffer from signal loss, low speed and interference. By understanding user needs for speed, clarity and reliability, we identify the need for a better communication system.
Okay, so this is our empathy part. So next.
So the core problem is how we transmit large amount of data over long distance quickly, securely and with minimal loss. This problem definition leads us towards light-based communication instead of electrical signals.
Good.
Possible ideas include using light instead of electricity, developing a medium with very low signal loss, protecting signals from electromagnetic interference. From these ideas, optical fiber communication emerges as the best solution.
Prototype system of the optical fiber communication includes transmitter, converts electrical signal into a light using laser. Optical fiber, thin glass fiber that carries light using total internal reflection. Receiver, converts a signal back into an electrical signal.
Okay then.
The system is tested for speed, signal loss, reliability, noise immunity. Result shows that optical fibers provide very high data rates, low attention, secure and interference-free communication. And the solution successfully meets user needs.
Okay, good. Next. That's it, right? Okay, so in optical fiber we have many applications. So one of the main application is data transmission, right? So the internet cables, we have used mainly optical fiber cables, right? Okay, so we have many type of optical fibers. Okay, we have depending on the user needs, we have many type of optical fibers. Okay, so we have glass fiber, plastic fiber, and etc. Okay, so we have type of material. So which type of material we have used for the manufacture? So depending on the material, we have two fibers, glass fiber and plastic fiber, right? So depending on the mode of propagation, we have two types: single mode fiber, multi-mode fiber. Okay, so based on the refractive index, we have two fibers. So okay, so these are all the types of optical fibers, right? So based on the material, we have two fibers. What are the two fibers? Glass and plastic. Okay, mode of propagation, we have two fibers, single mode and multi-mode fiber. Okay, then based on the refractive index, we have another two types. Okay, So these are the optical fibers. So even in optical fibers, so this is the glass material. So actually it will obey the total internet reflection principle, but here there is a possibility for losses. Okay, so the losses are nothing but attenuation. Okay, so attenuation is equivalent to output by input. So how much amount of input is given to the fiber, so what's the output? So deviation, any deviations is there, that is called attenuation. Okay, so this is the losses in optical fibers. Okay, so in day-to-day life we have used mainly in where we have used data communications, right? That's it. Thank you all.